Hello, in this video I introduce the Crazy Brioche family's newest and most intriguing double-sided elastic knit. There is a link to a playlist containing all the stitches in the series at the end of the description for this video. I'll demonstrate how to knit this stitch using 3 loops and 2 rows. We start from the right side. Row 1 right side, we use these 3 loops to work with. The first one is with an yarn over. Knit them together. The second 2 are singles. Without knitting, slip them and add yarn over loops to each. Again, knit 2 together, slip 1 with yarn over, slip 1 with yarn over. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. Row 2 wrong side, we work with these 3 loops. The first one is single. Without knitting, slip it and place a loop of yarn over it. The second 2 are paired with a yarn over loops, purl 2 together, and purl 2 together. Again, slip 1 loop with yarn over, purl 2 together, purl 2 together. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. I have given you a brand new knit with a lovely relief that is appropriate for all yarns and all seasons. The knit looks classy and trendy because of the extensive stretches between the knit columns. It will add style to any garment and accessory knitted with it. I highly recommend it. I appreciate you all being here. Click the like button if you enjoy the video. To watch all of my videos, subscribe to the channel and notifications. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.